Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today another vendor sent me a product. So this is a paid review. So let's get on with it, shall we? And today they sent me, it's the Liamer company, the Liame company, and they sent me a bread box with cutting board. Let's open it up and see what we got, shall we? All right. So we have a top, a little hardware. Very nice. Looks like it's a bamboo cutting board. That looks very nice, very nice. So let's see what we got here. Beautiful. Keeps your bread fresh, keeps the bugs off of it, keeps it out of the sun. And you have little lines on there where you can cut the slices of your bread. I home bake bread, so this is very nice. I can put my bread here and it gives you a line to cut your bread on. Very nice. Go out and get yourself a bread box.